Alright, we're gonna do the result video of the DNA test, and I have with me my brother. Introduce yourselves.
I'm Magnus. I'm the brother. Little brother. 3 years younger.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
So a couple of weeks ago, I did a DNA test on my heritage, not sponsored, and today I got an email. So we're gonna check to see if we are related.
I'm lying.
Okay, let's see. Martin, ready to outforce your ethnicity? Begin. Martin, you are. This is really. Okay, I am 100% Scandinavian.
Norway?
Sweden.
Denmark?
A little bit of Denmark. Well, Skåne. This is you, okay. North and West Europe, 100%. Oh wow. I've been giving my friend Ella
A little bit
Germany
too.
A lot of shit for being, well, she was only 98.
A little bit Finland too.
A little bit Finland too. Okay. Well, that was boring. You're 37 years old?
Oh shit.
Who has looked at this profile? One.
Go down. Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, safe to... this was a very short video. Okay, I am 100% Scandinavian.
Interesting.
It says here that I have one hole-in-one in disc golf. What about you? Our older brother also has a hole-in-one.
Yeah, he's lying.
What about you?
He's still lying.
Okay, well that was a very, I don't know, that was a very short video.
Yeah, entertaining.
My blue eyes and my brown hair says I'm super Swedish, which makes me eligible to keep teaching you the language. Okay, so I will go and you finish the video.
Me? Who? Me?